Hi everybody, today we are taking a look at the VEVOR 1/8 inch cable. They call it a wire rope. It is a 7-strand, comes in a 7-strand variety, and this has the black, rust, and corrosion resistant coating on it. Like I said, this is 1/8 inch, it's in a 500-foot spool. In the package you'll not only get the cable, but you'll get these cutters. It doesn't have the typical coil spring that's going to flip out and render these useless. But these are the cutters. I'll demonstrate them real quick. Super sharp, really a great product. That's a huge value that comes with this. Also it comes with a set of protective gloves and your user manual that's going to have the breaking strength, like this one's a 1,600-pound breaking strength, as well as the other products that they offer in their breaking strengths. So we'll insert some footage here of a product we did in Sedona where we did a cable railing using this product. It was, I believe, 7 or 8 strands we did, and upon installing it, crimping it, stretching it, there's absolutely no question to the integrity and the quality of this product. So overall, I give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for a cabling, either for hanging or suspending stuff, or you're doing a cable railing, or whatever you might need cable for, definitely consider this product. It's phenomenal value, phenomenal quality, and just an overall great package.